I haven't updated my Copart flood job in a while. Just pretty much, I got it running pretty good, and then we had the dash clear, no check engine lights, and the right door wouldn't work though. Nothing operated on the door other than the manual control. So that turned out to be, I kept getting a code for door module. You look all over the internet, can't find a door module. So I decided to pull the door panel, which plenty of videos on how to pull a 997 door panel online, so you guys can do that. And then you get the door panel off. You can see it didn't get wet in here. So, I mean, this is all just dust, right? Normal dust. So we know the water didn't get in this side, but we know Copart washes down their cars. So if you pull the wiper motor off, that's the wiper motor. That's the door module. It actually goes down inside the wiper motor like that. So it's the windshield washer motor, not the sorry guys, the door motor, right? So this assembly right here is not only the door window module, but also the rest of the network goes through these two connections, and you're going to find out that, oh, look at that real close. We've got a lot of corrosion right there. All along here is a lot of guck. We take it apart, we open up the backside, and it's just a mess. So there's all my short circuits for the right side. Your window goes through here. I mean, your side view mirror goes through here. Your door lock goes through here. Everything is in this board. And this board communicates with your dash, and it communicates with your left side window module, which I would imagine looks almost exactly the same. I don't think you can buy this separate. I think you have to buy it. I mean, if you do, it's this part number right here, if you can get it. If not, you have to buy it from that part number, which is the entire motor assembly. I'm not sure how it comes yet. I haven't been back to the dealer about that. But I will know soon. And that should take care of the door problem on this car. And then we're pretty much done at that point, I think, with all the... we can put the interior back in it, because we're pretty much ran out of shorts and everything else to fix. Other than an oil pump issue that I want to cover with you guys next. So stay tuned for an oil pump update on 997.2's. The direct injection motors, they got oil pump problems. So that's it. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, like, and leave comments.